Hello, welcome back to Daniel's DIY channel. Today we're back out here working on the truck. It's a 2008 Toyota Tundra. We're replacing the output speed sensor today. It goes right in the side of the transmission. Pretty simple fix. So we're on the passenger side of the truck here. Just go right behind the tire. I'm gonna go up on the transmission. And our sensor is gonna be right up there. So once you get up here to the sensor, you're just gonna want to pinch this little thing here and just pull it off. And then right here, there's gonna be a 10mm nut. We've got our 10mm socket here. Put that on there. Just get it loose. And I should be able to do it by hand. Let's get that off. And this will just pop right out of there. Just like so. And we'll grab the new one and get it stuck in there. Alright, so we have our new sensor. Let's go ahead and plug that in. Stick the screw back in there. And if you're finding this video useful, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you don't mind. Really helps out the channel. Now I got that tightened down. Go ahead and plug the wire back on, and that you're all set. And then go ahead and have the computer cleared of any trouble codes. You should be set to go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you next time. Keep on doing it yourself.